tools and cars. Today I wanted to focus on one particular tool manufacturer, Astro Tools. They've been around a long time and they've been hitting it out of the park lately. I wanted to highlight some tools, some Astro Nano ratchets live in the top of my toolbox. I have an entire drawer full of ratchets, but I like the Astros enough that they are the go-to quick grab if I don't need something special ratchet that I'll usually go for. But it's really their innovative tools that I wanted to highlight today. And this one just arrived today. It's the stubby Nano ratchet. It's part of their whole Nano socket series, which are these over here. The key ones are the 3/8 inch sockets, which actually I still have over in this box here. But it's a big set of low clearance sockets that can be run on an impact gun. They can be run on their particular wrenches, like this one right here. You can pop it on, you end up with a super low clearance wrench. Really nice. But you can also use them on standard ratchets as well. You can pop off a 3/8 and stick it right on like that. And with this new Flex stubby, you can do the same thing and get a really small, super low clearance tool, which you can get into certain situations. The other side of it has a bit driver built into it, which you can use for a low clearance bit driver. But then you can also pop out the whole thing and then use the 1/4 inch series of Nano sockets. Pop it in, and good to go. This one arrived just the other day. It was a little stiff on the Flex. It's a brand new tool for Astro. I called them and they forwarded me right to their manager of customer support, who was concerned about it and was going to check out the tool supply and make sure that this was a one-off and make sure I had a new one coming right in the mail. But it's a pleasure to deal with companies that answer the phone when you call and have people that know what they're doing and take care of you. So the Astro lifetime warranty is definitely a big plus. So we got Astro 3/8 inch in 10, 3/8 inch in long. This is their 1/2 inch series for really big sockets. You can use the same low clearance ratchets. Really nice tools and also really reasonably priced. There's a couple other companies out there that are making some innovative tools, but they charge a fortune for them. This Astro stuff is all, I think, super reasonably priced. Their ratchets, for instance, they're like they start at like $12, and they're really, really nicely made, nicely finished, low back drag, pleasure to operate. Can't say enough about them. What else do we have? We have the Astro pinless impact swivels. These are the hot thing now. You can throw them on an impact gun and get a swivel action, and they'll last forever, and they are much more durable than the ones with pins in them. They come also in a 1/2 inch size. This is the 3/8 inch size. And the Astro razor wrenches. These are also a fairly new introduction by Astro. Super thin compared to most normal ratcheting wrenches. Like, for instance, if we grab an Icon, you can see just how much thicker the ratcheting head is on them than these Nanos, than these razors. Super well built, nice satin finish, and I think they're a hit. Also super reasonably priced. Let's see what else we got here. We have the adapter set. This is another cool little tool from Astro. They figured, okay, so you already have their specialty wrenches for their Nanos. Why not give you an adapter that'll let you turn it into a standard 3/8 or 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch or bit driver socket. And now all of a sudden this tool can be used for 4 different or 5 different things instead of just for driving the Nano sockets. That's pretty much it. The car portion of today will be the 2008 997 Turbo manual. Love this car. It's been getting a lot of street time lately. Convertible is always nice this time of year. It's powered by a Mesger engine. It's one of the best engines I think Porsche has ever developed. And it is an awesome car. And it's cars like these that motivate me to have awesome tools. So that's it for tools and cars today.